I want Daisy.
How do you open it?
I don't know. Just open it.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, guys. So recently we went to do some shopping for our upcoming trip. And we stopped at Hot Topic and BoxLunch just to see what they had. And we saw some fun stuff that we purchased. Everything is mystery items.
Ooh.
So we got some mystery pins and mystery, I guess what they call bag clips, which we thought that once we open them, we can put them on our Halloween tree as ornaments.
Yeah.
So.
And we have this one thing, domes.
Yeah, what did you buy?
I don't know. It looked like a mystery pack. So.
It is a mystery pack. Yeah. Well, we might as well start with this one.
Yeah, let's start with that one.
So it's a Disney collectible mini, it's called. And it's a character inside of a dome. So, your options are you ready?
They're protected.
Mickey Minnie, Tinkerbell Daisy, Piglet Eeyore, Dumbo, Scrooge McDuck, and a Chase character. Chase character has a question mark.
I'm open for Scrooge McDuck.
You're opening this one because you bought this one.
Hold on a second. Scrooge.
I want
How do you open it?
I don't know. Just open it. Ooh, ow. Hit it on my toe. Oh, why do you do that?
This is like a pop in the box, but it's a bag. Whoa.
No.
All right. Ooh, we still can't find out what it is.
What?
Let's see. It's covered.
I know.
And
I'm just gonna rip it open. Aww.
Oh! You got Mr. Eeyore.
There he is. Isn't he cute?
Yeah, look at him.
But wait, I wonder, like, can we take him out and put like a string on him and put him on our tree?
No.
Okay.
He's locked in there. Yeah, it's
yeah, no, actually, it is
locked
pretty locked
in there,
and I don't want to break it.
Very cool.
That's cool.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like it, but I think it's kind of a cool little toy.
Yeah.
I don't know what we could put it next to the tree.
Next is the Pixar bag clip. Yeah, it's, let's see, WALL-E, there's the alien as Woody and the alien as Buzz.
Yeah.
There are the Onward characters. There's Carl. Oh my gosh, I'm confused.
Yeah.
There's a lot. There's Eve.
You can get an exclusive too, it says.
There's two exclusive options. Okay.
All right, what is in the bag?
This one, how do you open? Because there's no...
I just ripped it open.
Normally there's like a little like sliver and then you can tear it, but this one doesn't have anything.
I don't know, don't let me open it, I'll go flying
away. I'll figure it out, hold on. Normally they put like a little slit and you could just like tear it open. It does say 4+. How old am I?
Just kind of go like this.
You can't grab it that way.
You need a professional to open it?
No, you're not a professional.
I am a professional.
This is a joke. I have scissors.
Oh, good. Yeah, I got those from the basement. There we go. Oh, that was easy.
Whoever makes these, which I assume Disney or Pixar.
I'm hoping for a Carl.
Please put a little,
it's easy.
Yeah. I'm just saying.
You think it's Carl?
I already saw who it is.
Sorry. Is it Carl?
It is not Carl.
No,
it's cute. It's Remy.
Oh, that's cool.
It's little Remy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you could totally use these as ornaments.
I know. Let's do it. And I'm really excited for the ride when it's coming in Epcot. It's going to be awesome.
There's a delay on the opening, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Also, I've never actually like purchased one of these things and opened them, and I'm kind of excited now.
Yeah.
Like these are fun.
Yeah, they're cute.
Oh, we got little Remy. Look, he's holding his tail and he's cute. All right, I like this. This one I like.
It's going on the Halloween tree.
Yes.
Dun 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 dun! Star Wars time!
Is that how it goes?
No, but I made it up. You don't want me to sing the whole thing.
But this isn't a Mandalorian version, right?
No. This is the Empire Strikes Back character bag clip.
Yeah.
You can collect them all. They got Luke Skywalker, Leia, Lando, Stormtrooper, Yoda. I mean, it just keeps going on.
There's
Chewbacca.
an AT-AT.
Yeah. And even Boba Fett.
There's 2 different exclusives. And one looks like a little square, which I'm going to assume is Han Solo and his little...
Okay.
You know?
Let's open it up. Let's see.
Which one are you hoping for?
I'm hoping for Yoda.
Ooh, I kind of want a Stormtrooper.
Or Chewbacca.
Or an AT-AT.
I'd be okay with it.
Okay, I guess we're okay with any of them.
Again.
Go ahead.
Nowhere to open it.
Yeah, let's see you open it. Go ahead.
I'm good at this. Don't worry.
Don't.
Just gotta close your eyes and hope for the best.
Nope. Oh, okay, I guess that works. Just
Popcorn?
Why are you looking?
What the heck did we get?
A tauntaun?
Yeah. Damn.
I knew it was that one because I know you can't pronounce it.
We got this weird looking thing.
The little tauntaun.
What's his name?
It's a tauntaun. It's what like Luke Skywalker rides.
Oh yeah, okay. They have the blue milk, won't they?
I don't know.
Tauntaun. We don't know enough about Star Wars, but this guy, his nose is like crazy. Look at that.
It's weird because we know enough about Star Wars, but clearly
Yeah.
not that much.
Yeah, but it's still cool.
I like him. He's cute.
There's a lot of detail, actually.
Yeah.
We'll put that
Another
on
one
the
to
tree.
add to the tree. Is
Put
that
it
what
on
you
the
were going
tree.
to say?
Exactly.
Oh my God, you read my mind. This one, Nightmare Before Christmas. So very fitting.
Yeah, perfect.
Right. So.
You know, any of those are going to be good.
I know, but I obviously want Lock, Shock, and Barrel.
Yeah.
Because, hello. They have Jack, Sally, Zero, Oogie Boogie, Lock, Shock, and Barrel. The Mayor, the Easter Bunny, the Pumpkin, Dr. Finkelstein,
Whoa.
and 2 mystery ones. They're exclusive.
I'm hoping for the mayor.
Yeah. Well, I want Lock, Shock, and Barrel. Or Oogie Boogie.
We already have.
Oh, look at but Zero. Zero has a little candy cane in his mouth.
That's cute.
Oh, I kind of want Zero. So we'll actually link right above here the video for when we decorated our house with our Halloween decorations.
Yeah.
Specifically our tree. And we opened a bunch of mystery Nightmare Before Christmas ornaments.
Yes.
And we did pretty good. We're missing one, which we still haven't found yet. But we'll see. And we'll add this to our tree as well.
I'm excited.
Let me try to open this like you did.
Like when it flew across the room?
No, don't want to do that.
Ooh.
Oh, that was easy. I'm not going to look this time. Hold on. I can't grab it. Hold on. Oh, it's Oogie Boogie!
Ooh. Is it the same one we have?
No, it's close, though. It's close to the ornament that we have.
Yeah.
Oh, he's cute.
Yeah, I like him.
Look.
Yeah.
It's not Lock, Shock, and Barrel or Zero, but I'll take it.
Yeah.
I'm
or
all
the
about
mayor.
Oogie Boogie. Or the Mayor, or Jack and Sally.
Gotta buy another one.
I like him.
Woo!
Okay, now on to our pins.
Ooh.
These are Loungefly pins.
Yes.
I have Pixar, you have Disney.
Loungefly.
Yes. So I'll go first.
Okay.
Okay. So these are actually bows. I don't know if you can see that there. There are different bows. They have like Woody. They have Mike Wazowski, The Incredibles. What else can I figure out here? Let's see. They have Ratatouille. They have Russell from Up. So, oh no, there we go. Let's open it and see which one we get.
These are a little easier to open.
Yeah, but they're in a bag.
Oh.
Does the bag have a slit?
Yeah.
Ooh, the bag
No?
does- Wait.
Yep.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Let's
so the only
see.
thing is that these aren't labeled, and there's one I really can't tell what it is. Oh, it's Bo Peep. Just kidding. I saw the shepherd's staff.
I'm hoping for
It's
Mike
Bo
Wazowski.
Peep. Yeah, this one I don't know what this one. Okay, let's just open it and see what we get. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
Mystery pin is.
Ooh. Is that Donnie?
Which one is this?
I don't know.
Oh wait, is it Nemo?
Maybe Nemo.
Oh, it's
yeah.
Nemo. Okay. Well, I had no idea what this was. I had to like look at the back of the box and everything. And
Oh.
there it is. Can you guys see it? That's Nemo, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's totally Nemo. It's cute. I like it. I like the
Yeah.
colors. It's definitely Nemo because it has a little like tear in the part of the bow, which is like his little fin. Oh, he's cute. Okay, I'm okay with this one.
I like it.
Yeah.
Boom. Disney Loungefly. And then we got the back. Ooh, yeah.
I know which one you're hoping for.
I want Goofy.
Of course you do. Who else is on there?
Lady and the Tramp. There's
Mrs. Potts, I see.
Mrs. Potts. There's Dumbo. There's the 101 Dalmatians. I think that's a Little Mermaid at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very cool. All right, let's
I don't
open
know.
it.
I mean, I'm hoping for Goofy because I know you want Goofy.
Yeah.
But Lion King's on it too.
Yeah.
And Aristocats. Well, you missed all of them.
That's okay.
Okay, if not Goofy, I kind of want Mrs. Potts and Chip.
The only one that matters is Goofy.
Okay.
Ooh, it feels like Goofy.
I bet it does. Oh, just throw it on the floor.
Let's see.
Okay. Boop. No.
Good catch.
Clean.
Here we go.
Go ahead. Don't look. Oh, you looked. You know who it is.
It's Lady. Goofy.
Look how cute.
Wow, it's really cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's very detailed. I like it.
I'm sorry it's not Goofy.
It's okay. Still pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's not Goofy.
I like the little puppies.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah, we can put it on a backpack or something when we're in Disney.
Absolutely, yeah. We'll go and get another one and try to find Goofy for you.
Gotta find Goofy.
So one thing we actually like to do when we're at the parks is buy a couple mystery packs and open them. We're not huge pin traders, but we do some pin trading. I guess it's more my speed than it is yours.
Yeah.
I do like to collect all of the Donald pins, of course. So anything that I open that I don't like, I usually trade for something Donald Duck.
Yeah.
So we will do that while we are on a trip.
Yeah. And if you want to follow us on our trip, follow us on Instagram and on Facebook.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you like what you see and you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us to know what you guys like to watch that we put out. And also, don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're notified every time we post a video.
And we'll see you on the next Adventures in Weberland.
I put like the bow tie like there. It's like really
Wow, so professional looking.
It kind of goes with your shirt with the purple, orange. That's orange, Kristen. You're not colorblind.
I can wear this to the park like this.
Yeah, you can. Halloween. That's your Halloween costume. Little Nemo bow tie.
I'm Nemo.